how to safely transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Cash App, and over here you can find this USD option over here. Simply click on it, and here you get the option of Bitcoin as well. If you have Bitcoin in your wallet, then you can select this particular Bitcoin, and after that you can type the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to someone or any other Cash App wallet, and after that click on this option of pay. After that, you just have to put the name of that particular person, and in case of Bitcoin you would be also asked to provide the transfer address. You can simply copy and paste the address for the Bitcoin for that particular wallet, and this way you would be able to transfer it quite easily. The other way to do it is that you open up the home section on your Cash App wallet by just clicking on the home section at the bottom left hand side corner. There, select the option of Bitcoin, then select the option of send, and this way you would be able to do the similar transaction of transferring your Bitcoin from Cash App to another crypto exchange or Cash App wallet. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.